Hi, welcome to Pleasure Sports. Today we're going to take a look at the new Orca S5 triathlon wetsuit for men. The women's triathlon wetsuit S5 is identical in construction, except the panels are different in that they're cut to fit a woman's body as opposed to a man's. So what you're seeing here is also what you'll see in the women's body from a construction standpoint. Let me take you into a little further details about this particular wetsuit from a material standpoint. What's changed in the S5 series, the evolution is that they've gone from a 4mm front panel to a 5mm, and that 5mm front panel actually goes from the top of the suit, mid-neck, all the way down to mid-leg, and that increases the flexibility and the buoyancy and the positioning of your body in the water in this particular suit. There was a seam in the front of this suit in the previous year, and the removal of the front seam ensures that it's the most flexible wetsuit to date in this range. It also has great hydrodynamics, great flexibility. It's a super durable wetsuit and great buoyancy. On the back of this particular suit, the neoprene is 3mm thick, and in the lower portion of the suit, it is also 3mm thick. So you've got a 5-3 for the most part in this particular suit. Around the neck, you've got a 2mm neoprene around the neck. You'll also see something here in the neck, which is a nice roll neck collar, so the neoprene's actually rolled over and folded, and this allows for you to have a great seal in the wetsuit so that water doesn't flush into it, as well as helping to prevent any kind of rashing that could occur with a blunt cut. Let's take a look at the back of the suit. Again, you've got great openings in the arms. You've got a great adjustable Velcro collar here. What I love is the longer zipper because it helps decrease transition times when you can have the suit pulled down between swimming and your next sport. So when you're in transition from swimming to biking, you want to make sure that the wetsuit's pulled down low around your hips, and that'll make the rest of the suit coming off a lot easier. What also helps with the S5 in transition is the way this is cut around the low ankle and the low calf. You've got a really durable neoprene that's laminated on the outside here, where this is exposed in most tri-suits. This is actually laminated, and that's because it drags on the ground, and our heel hits it a lot. So they've really thought this through to give it more durability. It's a thinner neoprene towards the back and the front, so this is really easy to stretch and get in and out of. What I love about the S5 also is that on the inside seams here, you can see that you've got liquid seam. This keeps it watertight, so you don't have extra water in the suit, which would slow you down. And it also helps prevent rashing. So you've got a glued and blind stitch seam throughout the suit here. You can see the seam here around the waist. This is glued in manufacturing and then blind stitched on the inside, and then the liquid tape, which is really great. The suit's anatomically cut, meaning in 3 dimensions it fits the body very snug, so it's not like a bunch of straight blunt cuts. These panels wrap around the body, and that helps, again, prevent water from pooling in the suit and pulling you down, as well as slowing you down. On the inside, you'll notice a great little key stash pocket here. Nice place to put your name, so in case you get separated from your wetsuit, you can get reunited. You've got a nice flap between the zipper and your spinal cord so that you're protected from the zipper itself. This zipper is really great, and the way it fits together the pieces of neoprene, again, all directing to helping prevent water from flooding the suit. On the inside of the suit, you'll see great spot taping features. This, again, increases durability, also helps reduce rashing. So a beautiful suit, the S5. Great Yamamoto neoprene used in this suit, which is one of the highest end neoprenes on the market from a stretchability standpoint and a durability standpoint. So if I happen to miss any features on the new Orca S5, you can learn more about this really popular wetsuit on our website at pleasuresports.com.